am so impressed with this desk chair I was just gifted from Felix King. I just put it together. It goes together so nicely. It has some of the smoothest wheels I have experienced on these desk chairs. Really, really clean and smooth. It spins beautifully. It's very comfortable with a nice large seat, but then it has all the extra features I want as well. Specifically, these armrests do tuck up out of the way. That's really nice for me as I have a desk that has a deep drawer and I need to tuck those up when I tuck this under my desk. It's also nice if you just don't want these in the way. They are not adjustable up and down, only tuck out, but very, very clean. And then I absolutely love that it not only has a breathable back, but it actually has a lumbar support, and you can move this piece down or up so you can get it exactly where you need that support on your lower back. The cushion is super, super soft and it's breathable. It's all this nice mesh material, so it's not gonna get too hot or sticky over the day like a leather seat can, especially those faux leather seats. And again, you can see how breathable that back is, and you can see that lumbar support through it. So really, really nice there. And on top of all of that, it can also get really, really tall, taller than I need it to be. And I'm 5'11". You can see that my legs have to go downwards to hit the floor, or it can go quite short. My 9-year-old would love this height. It's a perfect height for her. And as you can see, it does tip back. The seat itself stays solid. The tip is underneath, so you're still getting that lumbar support. This piece is not going back on you, which I actually really, really appreciate. As often I want to lean back, and sometimes it's just this part that's going back on me, and that can be too much. And you can also push in the bottom and it will lock in place, holding you exactly where you want to be. Now, are there a lot of desk chairs out there? Yes. Are there a lot of great ones? Yes. Are there a lot of terrible ones? Absolutely. This, especially for the price point, is a fantastic mid-range chair. They really focused on what I want to see, which is that breathability, comfort for sitting all day, and the specific adjustability I want for my height and for being able to lean back when I want to. The pieces this chair doesn't have that I've seen in other chairs are padded armrests that can actually move up and down in adjustability. These are a lovely, they do have a nice indentation, but hard plastic armrest that only goes out of sight, gets put to the side and back in. Some of them don't even do that though, so that is still a step up to me. It doesn't have any type of headrest. I always remove the headrest on my chairs anyway, so that's not something I care about. But if you want a headrest, this one doesn't have one. And as you can see, since I am tall, I am a little bit taller than the back of the chair. Again, I would never have noticed that if I wasn't making this video. As I sit in it, especially when I lean back, that doesn't impact me at all. And the way I work at my desk, that doesn't impact me. But if that's something you're looking for, this does not have a headrest. And finally, this seat, while extremely comfortable with a breathable mesh fabric, anytime you're on a padded seat, while it's super comfy, if you're sitting for long periods of time, it may get hot, it may get sweaty, especially on a hot day. That's why sometimes you want to look at seats that have open mesh bottoms, and this one doesn't have that. So those are my only, not really cons, but items of note with this chair that you may want to look at when you're considering a chair. That said, this is one fantastic chair. I love how well it rolls. I love all the thoughtful elements. I specifically love that it provides lumbar support, as many do not give you adjustable lumbar support. So that is a unique differentiator on this chair, and it's just standout. So if you are looking for a great, well-rounded office chair, desk chair for a really good price, this Felix King has got you covered. I am so thrilled they gifted this to me. This is definitely going to use in my home, and I know you'll love it as well.